Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then in the search bar we should enter the X-Icon Changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's change the phone one. You could rename it. Here we get library with different folders with the icons. We could use them. Or also we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. So let's find one from the similar to the phone icons. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip the ads. And here we could tap to add the home screen. Oh. One more time. And now we could go to the desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. And let's check our new phone icon, and this is the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.